Hi, Dawei. You know, I was at a coffee shop yesterday, and I saw a student trying to introduce himself to a Chinese person. He was so nervous. He just said, Ni hao, and then just stood there in total silence.
Oh no. Aya. That's what I call the beginner's wall. People often think that once they've said hello, their job is done.
Exactly. In Chinese, a self-introduction, or 自我介绍, isn't just about stating facts. It's about building a bridge. Today, we're going to show everyone how to do it naturally. Let's keep it simple for HSK1. First thing is the name. Turns to Dawei. 我叫李华. I am called Li Hua. Nina?
我叫 Dawei. I am called Dawei. But Li Hua, I noticed some students say 我的名字是. Is that wrong?
It's grammatically correct, but 我叫 is much more common in daily life. It's shorter, smoother, and sounds less like a textbook. Na, so, after the name, we usually share where we are from, gesturing to the map. 我是中国人. I am Chinese. Nine?
我是美国人. I am American. For our listeners, it's super easy. Just say your country's name and add ren, person, at the end. Done.
And don't forget to mention your job. It gives people a great topic to talk about. 我是老师. I am a teacher. Nina?
我也是老师. I am also a teacher. Notice I used ye, also. It shows I'm actually paying attention to what you said. I've noticed that beginners get really stressed when it's their turn to speak. Is there a cheat code to keep the conversation going?
Yes, the Nini trick. Whenever you finish sharing a piece of information, just toss the ball back by asking, Nina, how about you?
That's perfect. It turns a boring speech into a real ping-pong match of words.
So let's recap the 4 steps. 1. Greeting, ni hao. 2. Name, 我叫. 3. Country, 我是, ran. And 4. The closer, 很高兴认识你.
Exactly. And to our friends watching, don't be afraid of making mistakes. We want to hear from you. Introduce yourself in the comments using these 4 steps.
We'll be checking the comments. 再见. Goodbye.
再见.